Today we're here at the Launch and Landing Facility at Kennedy Space Center. This is a location that immediately has a ton of emotion, a place shaped by decades of shuttle landings and technology that changed how we look at space. Today isn't about a launch, it's about proving this vehicle is ready for one.
Today we're out working some of the major test events for the Dream Chaser program. We've come out to the runway here at Kennedy Space Center, and we're here to run 3 critical tests. Everything happening here today is about preparation. Before Dream Chaser can fly, it has to prove 3 things here on the ground: that it can talk to NASA, that it can control itself at speed, and that the team can safely recover it after landing.
The first test is live sky, to connect to the TDRS satellite to show that we can send commands up and down from our mission control center to Houston, down to the ship and back. Tomorrow's tow task is the first time that we'll use closed loop control to show that the vehicle knows where it is and can respond appropriately.
This afternoon we're going to do a 40-mile-per-hour test and then repeat the test going 70 miles an hour. And we'll demonstrate the polarity of the vehicle so it recognizes whether it's need to go right or left to get back on that center line.
Once Dream Chaser comes to a stop, the mission isn't over, it's just beginning. Ground operations is responsible for everything that happens after the wheels touch down.
So day of landing, when we hit wheel stop within 22 minutes, we need to be able to connect cooling to the vehicle and then power and communications within 30 minutes.
Ground operations is responsible for working the equipment like our GSC tow trailer that's capable of doing a high-speed release, again to simulate that actual day of landing operations. We're trying to get our choreography down as streamlined as possible so that we don't have any hiccups or delays.
So our team is rehearsing the operations today and the next couple of days to make sure that we can meet those timelines.
When they gave me all the specifications, the weight, the speeds required, I realized we needed a Class 8 truck.
We were ecstatic that Sierra Space involved us in this mission.
Sierra Space's shared mission to transport goods to space feels very in line with what we have been after from the very start.
We launched the 5th generation Cascadia with 2 main pillars in mind: safety and efficiency. Safety of hauling this invaluable asset was paramount in this whole mission that we have going on. And then the efficiency is that the 5th generation Cascadia sleeper provides the right aerodynamics for the entire tow test.
So I'm seated in the passenger seat of the tow vehicle, so I'm making calls between myself and the test director and ensure that we send the correct command at the right time so that we get the response on vehicle. So we started with a 40-mile-an-hour case. It's basically ramping up the big finale, which will be the 70-mile-an-hour case.
While the test unfolds on the runway, another team is watching from hundreds of miles away.
We're in the Dream Chaser Mission Control Center right now, and today we're monitoring the tow test activities that are happening in Florida at the Kennedy Space Center. And this allows us to use our displays and correlate that to real-world activities.
The truck performs flawlessly. Super smooth, shifts awesome. I have been in planning on this for over 2 years now, and all the cohesion and all the teamwork between Freightliner and Sierra Space, to see it all come together is absolutely amazing.
Today was really successful, towing it down the runway at 40 miles an hour and 70 miles an hour. We got the results that we're looking for.
It was incredibly emotional, just knowing what we've had to go through to get to this point, and now making it to where we have it on the runway. It's an amazing feeling for myself and for the team.
I left NASA 13 years ago to be part of Dream Chaser, and we transformed that vehicle from a blank sheet to what you see on the runway today. And now be here, a vehicle that we created as a commercial space company, is just one of the most exciting moments of my career.
Today was a big win for the company, and to see these people be able to go execute something that they tirelessly planned for and then have it be successful was really a rewarding experience. I'm so proud of you guys. All worked so hard.
This is 100% the most amazing thing I've ever done.
What's happening here is preparation for the moment when Dream Chaser finally flies. For the team, this wasn't just a successful test, it was proof of years of work coming together. Every test, every rehearsal, and every decision moves Dream Chaser one step closer to flight.